Okay. सबसे पहला question, if the polynomial, so you're given the polynomial is divided by this other polynomial, remainder comes out to be x plus a. We need to find the value of k and a. I can see Gautam, Srijak have already started, Mahak started. Okay, guys, quickly solve it. If somebody is stuck, किसी को पता नहीं क्या करना है, let me know, I'll discuss. Otherwise, yeah, solve it quickly and enter your answer here. Be very careful with the signs plus minus. जब multiply कर रहे हो, जब subtract कर रहे हो, okay? That is the major place where you might lose marks in this. क्योंकि conceptually ये तो pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Ooh, first one to answer. Yeah, good. Double confidence choose नहीं किया.
And I was not sure with my answer, so I didn't want to.
Nice. But you got it first try, May. That's good. So as long as you know your addition subtraction is correct and your logic is correct, have confidence in your answer. You'll get it. Very good time. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, under 3 minutes you've solved it. It's good.
I'm not sure which method it is used. Can you explain it now?
Not sure. So what do you think?
I was thinking that you can use dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, but the quotient isn't given.
Exactly. So वो use नहीं कर सकते ना?
Yeah.
So direct, like just divide them, you'll get a remainder. So that remainder should be of the form x plus a.
Okay.
So like because you have k in the divisor, the remainder you will get in terms of k, like kx या 2 plus kx या ऐसे कुछ तो रहेगा. But that should be equal to x plus a. So equate the coefficients. Gautam, Parvati, good, nice, well done, guys. Arya, क्या हुआ?
Some calculation mistake. I did a mistake in my division.
Division, na? हाँ, that's why I told you, like major issues उसी में रहेगा. that too, this sort of problem will be confusing, all the more confusing because you have so many numbers, you have k and all. Can you correct it and send the answer on chat? अगर बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा है तो I'll do it on the board, but otherwise yeah, if you figured out कि mistake कहाँ पे है, correct it and send the answer on chat. Who else has not answered? Mahak, okay, you still, like, I know you're doing it. Crystal, Srijak, क्या हुआ? इतना time क्यों नहीं ले रहे हो?
Mark, I resent the code. I got logged out.
There you go. This is the code. Crystal, Srijak, like, have you guys finished the long division or are you still doing that?
I'm doing.
Okay. Very nice. Everybody got it. Good. Arya, were you able to figure out? Okay, you sent the answer. Yes. K equal to 5, A equal to -5. Okay. Nice. अच्छे से कर लिया. This is the first question, so don't worry. But next time onwards, try to reduce the time a little bit. You guys are getting it. Okay. Gautam, Sri Parvati also used confidence. Then Chriselle, no, like not use confidence. Okay. Next question. Oh, this is a good one. Like it's a concept related question. Read the question carefully, think about it logically. So if on division of polynomial p of x by a polynomial g of x, so you're dividing p of x divided by g of x, the quotient is 0. Then what is the relation between degree of p of x and degree of g of x?
I'm not gonna read out the options because there's one where only degree x is given. So I'm confused.
Oh no. So ek hai can't say, ek hai cannot be determined. Basically mean the same thing. Ek hai degree of p of x is greater than degree of g of x, or degree of p of x is less than degree of g of x.
Okay.
Gautam already answered.
But it's wrong, but I got confused a little bit.
You thought, okay, I'm not able to figure out, so like cannot be determined. Is that why you answered? Okay. Let's give it a couple of minutes more. We'll see what others give.
Am I gonna explain this question?
Yes. I will discuss this because I told you it's conceptual, right? Oh, two people have got it. Tia and Srijak. Good. Pretty evenly split. Parvati Mahak. Who's yet to answer? Crystal and Arya. Karlo jaldi, I'll discuss this question. It's a good one. So we're dividing p of x divided by g of x. Okay, so this is the scenario. And it's mentioned that quotient equal to 0. सबने आंसर कर लिया? Okay, let's stop. हाँ. So before I discuss it, किसने सही किया? 3 people got it right. Good. Srijak, you answered with confidence. Can you give me a reasoning why did you give?
Yes, ma'am. So let us take an example. So the px is the polynomial. So if we take the first term as x raised to power 4, we can take it as an example. And the gx, the first term we can take it as x raised to power 5. So x raised to power, so it will be x raised to power 4 divided by x raised to power 5. So that cannot happen. So that will account to 0.
Yes. So take both cases. Yeah, good approach, Srijak. So see, like if you look at the option, you have either degree of p of x greater than degree of g of x, or you have degree of p of x, sorry, is less than degree of g of x. इसी में you need to decide क्या है. Like अगर दोनों option में नहीं आ रहा है, then you can choose can't say, cannot be determined and all. Okay, so test out both these scenarios first. If the degree of p of x is greater than degree of g of x, तो पहला केस में suppose p of x happen to be x power 4 and degree of g of x niche, like it should be less than this, right? So let's say we are dividing this by x square. So in this scenario, will you get quotient equal to 0? No, na? Like as long as it's less than 4, even if it is equal to 4, kuch na kuch aayega. If it is equal to 4, you'll get 1, 2, 3 number aayega. If it is less than 4, then you'll get x square, x, whatever it is, you're still able to divide it. Quotient is definitely not equal to 0. But in this other case, if degree of p of x is less than degree of g of x, like what Srijak took, x power 4 divided by x power 5. Where in this case, can you do the division? Like you just did a long division ka question. So can you proceed forward in this, like is tarah ke case mein 4 divided by 5? So in this case, you end up getting quotient equal to 0. Kyunki, yeah, you can't proceed further. Like whatever this is, this will be equal to the remainder and quotient is 0. Okay? So that's how you reduce and figure it out. Okay. Mahak, got it? Yeah. Crystal, you answered it right, no? No, Arya answered it. Yes, Crystal did.
Even
Yeah. Arya, Parvati, you guys got it?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Cool. Yeah. Crystal and Tia, what about you guys? How did you answer it?
I thought if the power of the degree of the divisor would be small, then you can proceed. So that's why. But
No, if it is smaller, then you can proceed. Like if I take 4 divided by x square, my quotient will be x square. Like basically it will not be 0.
sorry, I meant the opposite.
Same logic then. Okay. Tia, use the same method or any other?
Ma'am, I don't know how to solve it. I just guessed my answer.
Oh, got lucky. Okay, but abhi samajh mein aaya?
Yeah.
Yeah. So do the next question. It is very, very similar to this. So now everybody, I want you guys to answer with confidence. So if on division of a non-zero polynomial p of x by a polynomial g of x, the remainder is 0 in this case, then what is the relation between their degrees? Very nice. Good. Srijak, Tia got it. Quickly. Others also. It's exactly like the previous. Yeah, Arya?
That was comment button. Solution was solution.
Still getting that issue. Just try and rejoin. We'll show the code. Rejoin. Should be sorted. Anybody else facing that issue? No, 3 people have responded. Mark also got it. Good. Parvati, what happened? Abhi can't say.
Can I write in chat box because I thought in between while I was writing it.
Yeah. Can you repeat that? What happened, Parvati?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
actually I'm getting solution directly, not the submit button.
you're also getting the same thing. So rejoin, no?
Yes.
That's why I've put the code here. Exit and join again. Crystal, what about you? Are you able to answer or are you also facing the same issue?
No, we will answer.
Okay. Oh, good. Good. Gautam, I got your answer, Abhi.
Didn't you
Yes,
receive
ma'am, I
my
rejoined.
answer?
What, Crystal?
Didn't you receive my answer?
Sritak या महक गौतम नहीं अभी तक नहीं.
Acha, no, I just realized I can't find the submit ka button. I don't remember pressing it though. But I don't think it's sent.
Give it some time. Maybe it's a syncing issue, but if it is not, then rejoin it. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the same thing as before. इसमें उल्टा है. Like quotient में remainder is 0. So if remainder is 0, मतलब division हो पा रहा है. If you're able to divide it, then degree of p of x can be greater than or equal to the degree of g of x. Yeah. Cool. Nice. Everybody got it. Nice. Happy with you guys. Good. Okay, next question. On dividing x cubed minus 3x squared plus x plus 2 by another polynomial g of x, quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4. Find g of x.
Ma'am, just can I get the code? I got disconnected. Actually.
क्या हुआ? Can you? Your voice was.
Just can you give ma'am, actually can you give the code one more time? I got disconnected due to Wi-Fi issue.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Cool. Okay. I can see all of you have started working it out. Good. If anybody has a doubt, don't know how to approach it, tell me, I'll discuss it. Parvati, okay. Finish up this question, then I'll once I go forward, then I'll discuss your question, Parvati. Make it simpler for you guys, write what is given, then you'll get an idea, okay, what formula, how to approach it. Okay. Arya, are you on the latest question, Abhi? X cubed minus 3x squared plus x wala question?
Yes, ma'am.
Cool. Work it out. Oh, first answer, we already got it. Yeah, nice, good.
I by mistakenly clicked at the answer. I was not done.
What do you say? What happened?
Ma'am, I'm also facing the same problem. I'm just rejoining.
Okay. Have I
Come on, same here.
this straight? Okay. Thanks. 3 people. Arya and Srijak also got it. Good. Mahak, what happened? You read it wrongly. Or was it a calculation error?
Some calculation error.
Array. Two people have answered. Gautam got it. Gautam, you weren't confident? Escape. Sir.
No, ma'am, I just forgot to click on double confidence. I was following this one.
Okay. So, Crystal and Parvati. Okay, it's already been 6 minutes. Kya ho raha hai? You guys still doing the long division?
Ma'am, the answer I got is different.
Answer you got is?
Different. I was not confident with it, so I was reading it.
Recheck. Check it. Crystal, what's going on with you? Oh, Parvati. Oh, galat ho gaya. Check. Plus minus में गलत हो गया. Okay, Crystal, you still doing the division या क्या हो रहा है?
I'm still doing it.
Doing it. Okay, कर लो जल्दी. So approach. Okay, since most of you got it, I'm guessing you guys already did it. So you apply this dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So dividend, we are dividing x cube minus 3x square. So dividend is given. We are dividing by a polynomial g of x. So this is the unknown quantity. Quotient पता है, remainder पता है. So just put it there and solve it. आ जाएगा. Crystal, you also got it wrong. You guys need to be careful with your plus minus things here. Yeah, Mahak, what's up?
Can you do the long division? Because I don't know where I've made an error.
Okay. Yeah, 3 of you have gotten it wrong, so we'll do that. So we have x cube. Stop. So we have x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is equal to g of x into quotient कितना दिया? X minus 2 plus remainder is minus 2x plus 4. To rearrange it, we get x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 2 equal to g of x times x minus 2. So do you guys get this in your long division?
Ma'am, I actually did the division first, then after that I added the
Q.
remainder, so it went wrong there.
Obviously.
I missed adding the remainder.
That's why you have to go step by step. That's why write the given, write this formula. If you write this step, फिर linear equation जैसे ही रहेगा ना. So first you take this on the other side, then you do the division. इसके बाद you do the long division, आ जाएगा question. Okay, cool. So we'll go to the next question then. Okay. All right. If one of the zeros of this quadratic polynomial is minus 3, then what is the value of k? So this is, it's a grade 9 level thing. It's a direct conceptual question about zeros of the polynomial. तो उसको use करके do it. One person has answered. Srijak's the only one who answered it. Shouldn't take so long, guys.
Ma'am, can you show the code again? The submit button wasn't coming.
Yellow. Parvati, Srijak got it. Arya, you missed out by a sign. क्या हुआ? Arya, were you able to check where did you go wrong? Okay, 3.5 minutes. Come on, guys. इतना time नहीं लेना चाहिए. So, Crystal, Gautam, Tia, what's going on?
No, ma'am. I just
Ma'am, I just
sign
got
error.
logged out.
Sign error.
Crystal, you were saying?
Ma'am, I got logged out.
Oh. तो अभी question दिख रहा है ना?
Ma'am, I'm rejoined.
Fine. Kia also got a sign error. This is very, very straightforward, guys. You have, you given a polynomial, uska 0 is -3, matlab you substitute -3 in place of x, and that should be equal to 0. So solve करने पे you will get the value of k. Okay, check क्या हुआ, plus minus addition subtraction में क्या किया, correct it. If you're not able to find out where you made a mistake, let me know. We'll solve it, figure it out. Otherwise, we'll go to the next question. So did you guys find out? Arya and Tia? Okay. Next question. If the zeros of the quadratic polynomial are 2 and -3, then, and options are A के values चाहिए, B के values चाहिए. This is also pretty simple. We revised what, so A and B are like coefficients and constant term, and you're given the zeros. Use the relation between them, find out A and B.
Ma'am, can you show the code to rejoin?
हाँ, हर एक क्वेश्चन के बाद हो रहा है क्या रिजल्ट?
No, ma'am. Every two, sometimes 2-3 questions, sometimes 1 question.
Okay. Two people have answered. Arya, what happened again? Arya has gotten disconnected again. Okay. इतना टाइम क्यों ले रहे हो? Like, this is very, very direct. It's like 2 steps में खत्म हो जाना चाहिए. Gautam, what's going on? Mahak has answered. Srijak has answered. Arya has answered. Krisal, Parvati, Tia, what's going on, you guys? What concept are you using to solve this? Okay, good. More answers. So Krisal and Tia, just waiting for your answers. Parvati, what happened?
Ma'am, I took it some other way with the sign.
What did you do?
For finding the sum, for finding the product, I got it correct. But for the sum, I took like 2 minus 3 is equal to minus b upon a. So minus 1 is equal to minus 1 upon 1. Taking that, I thought that a should be minus 2.
Kaise? Like 2 minus 3 equal to minus b upon a. Like what did you do over here? Minus b ki jagah, what did you put?
I put minus 1. I didn't think of putting 1 there.
A plus 1 hai na, coefficient of x. So this will be minus of a plus 1 divided by 1.
Okay.
Minus 1 kahan se aaya? Why did you put minus 1 there?
No, I thought a should be minus 2 there because I didn't take a plus 1 as a whole.
Oh, you took minus a plus 1.
Right.
That's what you did. ठीक है, that'll do it. ठीक है. All right. Tia, what did you do? You also did the same mistake. Huh? So algebra mein, whenever you come across cases like this, no, both a plus 1 is coefficient of x, always use brackets. So that way you won't make these kind of mistakes. Hamesha, whenever you have a negative sign, put a bracket around wherever negative sign is to apply. So that way you know, agar bracket khulna hai, to you'll apply it for everything. Krisal and Arya, kya hua? Where did you guys go wrong?
I don't know. I just got confused.
What was the confusion?
No, I mean, I was the numbers and all. I didn't know where to start from and all.
See, read the question. So zeros of quadratic polynomial are, so this is the polynomial given. Let's say this is p of x. In case zeros are 2 and minus 3, right? So abhi humne seekha hai, like that's why we did the revision of all these concepts. Zeros basically are alpha and beta. So look at it. So you're given alpha and beta ke values. The unknowns are coefficient like x square plus bx plus c liya, so that b and c are not known. That's what you need to find out. So isme se what can you apply so that you can get the unknown value? Okay. So next time, like right at the start of the question, if you're not able to figure out what formula to apply, kya karna hai is number ke saath, let me know immediately. Don't just give a random guess, because that's what you're in class for, right? Like to figure this stuff out. Okay, next question. Find the value of k for which polynomial p of x is exactly divisible by polynomial g of x. So yahan se what do you need to use? What concept do you need to use? What do you need to understand by the question? Exactly divisible matlab kya hai?
Remainder should be 0.
Remainder should be 0. Exactly divisible matlab there's no remaining, it goes in properly exactly. So that's it. So you need to divide it, long division kar lo, and by the end of this thing, जो भी remainder आ रहा है, equate it to 0. उससे you'll be able to find the value of k. Hello guys. So this is also a long division question. In fact, this is simpler than the previous one. You have k only in like dividend ka one place. First question you guys took like around 7-8 minutes, right? So just try to see if you can do it in like under 4 minutes.
Now it is showing a direct solution.
We have faced this Tia before, like just rejoin if that is the case. I have forwarded the issue to the developers. So एक दो दिन में click करना चाहिए. In fact, that was what the update was for. It said that it's been fixed.
Now let me please show the code.
Yeah. Nice. 2 people have answered. Arya, Tia, guys got it right. Good. You did it in lesser time than before. That counts. Good job, guys. Rest of you, Gautam, Srijak, Mahak, Krisal, क्या हो रहा है? Srijak, I've observed like you've been answering questions fine, but whenever there's a long division, you take quite some time.
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm. Why is it confusing, or do you on purpose like take care of your steps? Yeah.
No, ma'am. I need time to just divide.
Okay. Practice. Gautam got it. Good. Yeah. Long division questions में confidence कम हो गया क्या? None of you have applied it.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Yeah. So this Saturday you guys like have practice of polynomials only, right? Khatam kar lo, you'll be confident. You'll do better.
Yeah. I've done this some 2 times on the back. I forgot to do on the page.
Hmm. Parvati got it. Good. With confidence. Crystal, how's it going? Are you solving? Like, you still have doubt any place?
No, I'm doing it. It's taking quite a bit of time.
Okay. Focus on accuracy. Like, see that you're able to do the question first. So once you're able to do, then you can work on your speed. Yeah. Good thing. Mahak. Mahak also like Srijak.
Ma'am, I'm just sending it in just 1 minute. I got it.
Yeah. When it comes to long division, you take your time. Arya is also yet. No. Mahak, Crystal, and Srijak. Okay. Everybody else has submitted and you guys got it. Good. I'm so happy that not a single person who's done so far got it wrong. Everybody is doing it correctly. Good. Six people. Good. Okay. Mark, what's going on? What is taking time? Still doing the division or what's happening?
I'm just doing the final calculation.
Okay. What's up, Mahak? It's almost 10 minutes now. Problem ka. Did you get the remainder? Final step.
Yeah, I got the remainder, but I'm just not getting the proper answer.
What is the remainder that you got?
I'm not sure if it's right, but 3kx.
3kx. Okay. Just 3kx? Like, continue, no?
Yeah, I just got 3kx. That's why I think I've done some mistake.
Ah, okay. Okay, I'll go to the next question. Just see. Send your working. I'll just check what happened there. Okay, we go to the next question. Abhi. Okay. Oh, this question is getting cut off. Okay. Okay. So if the polynomial 6x power 4 plus 8x cubed, we have that polynomial is divided by the other polynomial, the remainder comes out to be ax plus b. Find the values of a and b. Again, just like the previous one, solve it, send it. Now, previous one, you guys sent it, like by the time everyone completed, it was around 7+ minutes. See if you can try to cut short that time. Because long division, I can see that you guys have gotten better at it. See if you can do it in like between 5 to 7 minutes. Yeah, Mahak, I got your this thing. I'll check, go through it. Mahak, long div, okay. All right, x square, x cube, okay. What is kx minus 9x, Mahak? Right.
You can't really do that, can you?
It will be x into k minus 9. Kx minus 9x will not be equal to minus 9. You're not multiplying them, no, you're subtracting them. So that's where the mistake is. Okay, so after the class, just like redo the, like anyway, it's going to come up in your boost. So just redo the question later, correct it and see. Anyway, focus on this one now, 6x power 4 wala. And don't make, anyway, all of these are numbers. So you should be able to do the division right now. Yeah. Oh yeah, all of them are numbers. So you should be able to finish this in a shorter time now.
Ma'am, can you please write the code in the chat?
Huh. One person got it. Oof. Tia, check. Kya hua? Check the division. Gautam got it. Good. Parvati also got it. 4 minutes. Well done. Less than 5 minutes, guys. Good stuff. Arya also completed. Tia, did you check क्या हुआ कहाँ पे?
Yes, ma'am, I'm checking.
All right, Mehak, Crystal, and Srijak.
Yeah, just a minute.
हाँ. It's almost 7 minutes, guys. You still doing the long division, or did you finish it and did not get the answer? क्या हो रहा है? Where are you guys at? अभी? Oh, strange. Srijak has already answered. ठीक है, good. आ गया. Gautam, did you log out and log in or something?
Yes, ma'am, I was getting disconnected. Yeah, due to Wi-Fi issue.
अच्छा.
That is lacking too.
ठीक है, क्योंकि तुम्हारा like I have 1, 2, 3, 4 accounts of yours इधर. That's why.
Sorry, ma'am.
No, you don't have to apologize. I didn't know if it was a bug here or like what's happening on your end. इसलिए I wanted to understand. ठीक है.
Yeah, I think so. If we leave the quiz or join again, so it will double add. By using the double
because-
points, it will add 20 more. Yeah.
And then when you join again, फिर यही question दिखेगा ना. So when this question is there, you're going to input the answer. So तुम्हारा second time, I get that thing. Okay. Next time when you get disconnected, like join for the next question itself directly. I'll wait. This also will work properly. I'll get the correct data. and all that.
Yes.
Okay, सबका हो गया?
Could you do this on the board, because I got a weird remainder.
Okay. Stop it for now. हाँ. 6x power 4 plus 8x cubed plus 17x squared plus 21x plus 7. So this is divided by, so I want one of you guys only to dictate कि क्या करना है, क्या होगा next step. बताओ, how do we start it now?
Ma'am, so we have to multiply 3x square plus 4x plus 1 by 2x square first.
By
So,
2x square?
ma'am, because we have already given 3x square, so yeah, if we multiply, it will directly come 6x square. 6x to the power 5.
How you get 2x square is you divide first 6x power 4 divided by 3x square. First term of this divided by 3x square.
No, ma'am. Sorry. Sorry. 2x to the power 2.
2x square you divided. So multiply 2x square by all of this. So you get 6x power 4. 2 into 4. 8.
Plus 8x. X to the power 3. And then plus 2x to the power 2.
2x square. So normal division की तरह once you have this, you subtract this whole thing. तो हर एक का sign change हो जाएगा. This will get cancelled. ये भी cancel हो रहा है. Okay, so this is 0x cube. Plus 17 minus 2 will be plus
15x to the power 2.
Okay. So then bring this down. Plus 21x. So क्योंकि यहाँ पे 0 है.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
So about below 17, won't it be minus 2x square?
Yeah. Minus 2x square.
No, then it will become plus.
ये plus 1 ही है ना? Question में क्या किया? हाँ, 3x square plus 1. 2 into 1, 2.
I did minus 1.
इसलिए अजीब आंसर आ रहा है. Otherwise, yeah, this is the division. 0 आया. So bring this also down. Then this will be plus
Now 5 plus 5 plus
5.
5.
Be 15x.
Yeah.
Then
Yes, ma'am. 15x
plus
plus 20x plus 5. So, ma'am, x plus 2.
yes. ये cancel हो जाएगा. This will be x and this will be plus 2. So x plus 2 is equal to ax plus b. So coefficient of x, a is equal to 1 and b constant term is equal to 2. Okay. Here. Next question. Same like exact same question है. All of these are depending like based on long division only. So अभी whoever got it correct अभी तक try to reduce the time you're taking for the question as you go for each one. Okay, do it.
Ma'am, could you do this division one so that I understand how to do it without the numbers?
Yeah. So we have 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. The dividend is 8x power 4 minus 8x cubed minus q. So when you don't have it, no, to reduce the confusion, just have like a rough space where you can do the calculation separately from the division. I'll show you what that means. So pehla term, I think yahan tak you might have been able to manage 2x squared will be 8x power 4 8x cubed plus 2x squared ओ ये भी कैंसिल हो गया. Okay. So this is minus 20x square. क्योंकि दो कैंसिल हो गया, I'm bringing both px and q. 20x square, this will be minus 5. So minus 20x square plus 20x minus 5. So this will be plus, this will be minus, this will be plus. ये तो cancel हो गया. Now when you have like a variable and a constant, the logic or the method that you do is the same. It's a little confusing because you can't just add 20 in. So technically what you're doing here is minus px minus 20x. So this will be equal to, if I take x common, minus p minus 20. So just put that here, minus p minus 20 into x. And यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो? We have minus q और नीचे you're doing plus 5. Plus, put it in brackets, minus q plus 5. So this will be a remainder. So even in the previous thing, like suppose I have a k over here, यहाँ पे minus 18 plus k 2kx square कुछ आएगा, right? So just do it side में. We have minus 18x square, then we have minus 2kx square. So x square is your like variable. उसका coefficient is minus 18 minus 2k. So just keep it separately. That way you'll not be confused. So even if I'm adding like a 20 further in the division, then you know that okay, x square common liya, so I'm doing 20 minus 18 minus 2k. So that way you can continue to help with the confusion. Oh, exactly divisible here. So basically this remainder should be equal to 0. So पूरा 0 होना है, मतलब coefficient of x also should be equal to 0. The constant term also should be equal to 0. Do that independently, you get it. Gautam has already answered. Good. Well done, Gautam. Less than 5 minutes. Good time. Okay, I'll switch this, you guys do it. Okay, I think we'll end with this question. It's almost 6 o'clock. And also you guys keep getting disconnected. It's going to be pretty distracting. So I've assigned the homework for you guys. Practice the long division and relation between coefficient. As you keep doing it, like fatafat, very confidence aa jayega. And we can be able to do the chapter practice and all also. Nice. 3 people have gotten it. Arya and Parvati also done. Good stuff.
Could you show the long division again? I just want to see if I got it.
Here, look, this is the division.
Ma'am, can you please put the code in the group? I'm keep on getting disconnected.
I'm putting it on the chat. I'll just send it everyone. 045. So Gautam, Arya, and Parvati, 3 people have gotten it. Priscil checking. Mahak should be able to do that now. Srijak, what happened? Still taking time. Yeah, Srijak, hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
क्या हुआ? अभी, like, are you still doing the division?
Yes, ma'am. I did the division. I got minus p minus 20 bracket x and minus q plus 5. So I took minus q plus 5 as c and minus p minus 20 whole bracket x as b. So I got, so by substituting it, so I got q minus q is equal to minus 5. So I got q is equal to 5.
Okay.
So there is an option q is equal to 5 and p is equal to minus 20, but I'm not able to find how p is equal to minus 20. I'm able to find p is equal to minus 21. Sorry, p is equal to plus 20.
कैसे? You got minus p minus 20, like you got minus
No,
p.
no, I got it.
Uh-huh.
This coming minus 20.
Good. 5 people. Mahak also done. Shrijak also done. Tia, Crystal, what happened? Like, did you figure out ki kya hua? Kahan pe? Where did you miss out?
No, the division is correct. What I did is correct. It's just thoda ulta, but it's still correct. So like, what do you do after that?
So that's what? Exactly divisible matlab remainder should be 0, no? So remainder कब 0 होगा? Like अगर x का कोफिशिएंट 0 है और ये कांस्टेंट टर्म भी 0 होना चाहिए, तो ओवरऑल अगर दोनों 0 है तभी पूरा रिमाइंडर विल बी इक्वल टू 0, राइट? तो x का कोफिशिएंट 0 होना है मतलब द वैल्यू ऑफ माइनस p माइनस 20 इक्वल टू 0. एक इक्वेशन आ जाएगा माइनस p माइनस 20 इक्वल टू 0. इससे p का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा एंड कांस्टेंट टर्म भी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होना चाहिए. Overall, this should be 0. That means minus q plus 5 also should be equal to 0. तो इसको rearrange करके solve करने पे q का value भी आ जाएगा. Okay. That's the key. Like question में दिया है, it's exactly divisible by 3. So that way to be able to find out.
Ma'am, why don't we equate the entire thing with 0, like minus p minus 20x plus minus 3 plus 5?
If we, that doesn't make sense. Like we can equate it, but it doesn't help our cause because x is a variable, right? And technically, if we divide these two polynomials, it means that x का value कोई भी हो, remainder 0 होना ही चाहिए. So irrespective of what the x is, if the value is equal to 0, it means that everything else apart from x is ending up in 0. Like whatever value p and q are taking should be equal to 0. That way it's not dependent on x ki 0 hona chahiye. That's why we independently equate both of them to 0. Okay, nice. Everybody is done. Wait, Tia has not answered yet. Tia, quickly.
I have answered.
Oh, okay. Syncing issue is with.
Yeah, ma'am, it is showing you are correct.
Okay. Hello. Great. So we'll stop here. We'll end the session here. Almost 6 o'clock. So I've assigned you guys like this topic and the next topic. Guys got a hang of it. The next topic is also relationship of zeros and coefficient. Matlab, you'll have to use all of these like 1 to 5 formulas. It'll be primarily based on that. Yeah. So complete it. So 14 plus 12, total 26 questions there. Or is 14 maybe live session may you guys answered like almost 9-10 questions. So easily today, tomorrow you'll be able to complete it. Okay.
I completed level 1 already. So shall I start?